Hi, my name is Tijan Dawo, level 6 student, LCCA, doing a business management course, doing the final year. I can't thank the man enough because I've gained a lot of information with regards to his brand. It's more so, and the tagline on it, I'm very much impressed. And it's helped me a lot to look at the future that what holds for me, because I want to implement what I've done so far this year. So I was very much impressed about the Nepal food. I'm not sure which industry I'm going in for, but it's giving me an insight of what to expect in the future. Oh, definitely it's going to be his background, where he all started from. He never forgot where he was from. Even he studied in business management in here. So that tells the story of his product, and I think he's going to help a lot. He's inspired me a lot I took so many things from it a lot.